Hi everyone, for my course project I decided to do a family trip on Hershey Park. Hershey Park, I would say, is like 40 minutes from where I live, and instead of using their theme name, I created Hershey's Adventure, where I have my little Hershey bar that's on top of here, and here's the navigation bar where you have the home page that you see right now. And you have the about, photos, and events. Here's my search bar, or if you like to type something in that you don't see. And I made a text wrap around my little Hershey Kiss. And down below is my footer, where I have follow us on, and you can see us on Facebook, Twitter, or even email. On the right, I have the same duplicate of the cell phone version. There you got the text around the Hershey Kiss again, and the same footer, and I put the search button on the bottom. And here is my tablet version. So now we'll go to the about page. Here on the about, this is the tablet version. I have the same navigation bar as I did on the logo, on the home page, I'm sorry. And here is Welcome to Hershey. And down below, I have Milton Hershey, who created Hershey. And here you can click on the story and the history. And on the right is the map to give you details on what the theme park is all about. And on top is the web page. And here on the right is the cell phone version. So now I will show you the photos. Here under photos, I have my web page where you have the theme park. And under the theme park shows the water park. And here on the right is the rides. Like you got the roller coaster, the Ferris wheel, and so on. And also there's kids rides. And underneath it, I have the souvenir store where you have this. You can buy some souvenirs at the store. And here is they have a famous hockey game where you can see different hockey teams that come to Hershey. Like I think the Washington Capitals, or I forget the other names, but here you can meet the characters itself, like the Hershey Kiss, the Hershey Bar, and the Reese's Pieces. And I got my footer. And on the right is a cell phone version. And here's my tablet. I haven't created the events yet because here I haven't figured out the platform, but during the events they have like concerts or trick-or-treating events, and the concerts are really neat because I went to see a two-part where it was Kiss and Aerosmith together, so that was pretty cool. Well, this ends my presentation. I would love to hear your feedback, and hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you.